These are our luxury accommodations in the Sherwood Elementary School. This is where we're going to sleep tonight.
First class.
Okay, last night's hurricane kind of clobbered the yard, but the house, the shop, and the pond have survived. I'm so pleased. We got to clear this way so we can get the cars in and out.
So here we are in the aftermath of the hurricane.
And it's not through yet. Got the generator going for the fish so they don't die from lack of oxygen. Just a yard mess. That's okay. That's okay. As long as the house is okay, the big oak tree is okay, Paypock tree is okay, and the shop is okay. Just that thing like that. As you can see, the hurricane's not fully passed yet. But instead of hitting us dead on, it just sort of grazed the Space Coast. There's the old oak tree. The shop, we put boards in the very front here. So, overall, we're very, 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 very pleased that this is all that's happened. It might be a little bit difficult getting the car in the carport. But I could just envision the carport blown away. All kinds of terrible things. So, very, very thankful. And my mistress just got dirtied up a little bit. No problem. And here comes Jorge, our
Sleeping person.
sleeping person. He's so talented. So I'm a little apprehensive about filming out here because I'm afraid these trees might be tempted to fall over. And it's not over yet. I'm apprehensive about these power lines. Because if the tree falls over on those, then of course the power's off right now, but it should be on before too long. This is the paper the next day after the storm. Anyway, we really lucked out. We really... So we're happy about that.